Namaskar. This is a write up dedicated to Swami Sahib Kol, written by Dr. Chamanlal Raina ji. It was Pandit Sahib Kol who reconstructed the religious thought of Shakta worship in Kashmir during the rule of Jahangir. It was he who wrote the commentary on the Bhavani Sahasranama under the title Devi Nama Vilasa. It was published during the Maharaja Pratap Singh's rule, edited by the then authorities of Kashmir Research Department. The Navdurga Puja is invoked with the Kadi mark and with the Hadi mark. Now nobody is competent enough to perform the Navdurga Puja with the Hadi system of mantra in Kashmir. The last in the line was Pandit Jialal Kao, a celebrated scholar of the Tantra from Naisarak, Srinagar. Tomorrow is the invocation of first Navratra. It is revered as the Ashwin Shukla Pratipada, dedicated to Shailaputri. About Shailaputri. Shailaputri means the daughter of Himalaya. Shila means a rock, a stone. Shaila is the derivative of the word Shila. It is the rock of spiritual standing, and the whole world gets strengthened from the Shailaputri aspects of Purna Prakriti Durga. From the yogic point of view, the first Navratra is considered to be very auspicious day. It is the yogic start of being in tune with the Divine Mother Durga. Those who want to have any kind of initiation in the Shakti mantra can have it on the first of the Shukla Pratipada. The aspirations of the devotee is to reach higher and further higher for the spiritual evolution and for the attainment of Siddhi, which is perfection, association with the Ananda bliss. Verily, Shailaputri is the Mooladhara Shakti to be realized within self and sought for the higher depths in the yoga meditation. This is an experience in the soul searching of immutable within human existence. Shailaputri is the physical consciousness of the Divine Mother Durga. She is the truly Parvati, daughter of the Kim Himavan, as described in the Shiv Purana. Shailaputri is the manifestation of Earth planet, which includes what is apparent on this earth and within the globe. Shailaputri covers all the hills, vales, water resources, seas, oceans, and including atmosphere. Therefore, Shailaputri is the essence of earthly existence. Her abode is in the Mooladhara Chakra. The divine energy is latent in every human being. It is to be realized. Its color is crimson. The Tattva element is earth with the Guna quality of coherence and with the Veda distinct characteristic of Grana, the smell. Its mantra is La Ma, that is La Ma, of the Sanskrit Varnamala. Its focus is on the tip of the tongue and the lips. Dhyana of Shailaputri. Vande Vachit Labhaya Chandrardha Krit Shekharam Vrishardham Shuladharam Shailaputrim Yashasvinim. I pay my vandana, obeisance to the Divine Mother Shailaputri, who bestows upon the choicest boon to the devotees. The moon in the crescent form is adored as the crown on her forehead. She is mounted on the bullock. She holds a lance in her hand. She is Yashaswini, the celebrated